This is new facelift Ford Focus Trent hatch, presented for sale by Team Hutchinson Ford in Christchurch. This vehicle is presented in a new colour to the range called Magnetic. It's a full metallic. The new facelift Focus features a new engine, which is the 1.5 litre EcoBoost engine, which is developing 132 kilowatts of power and 240 newton meters of torque. The vehicle has a 6-speed Tiptronic auto. We have the restyled front end with fog lamps incorporated into the lower bumper. Factory alloys are standard equipment, has the full 3-year 100,000k factory warranty with Ford's roadside assistance program. Indicators integrated into the side mirror. We have body coloured door handles, independent rear suspension. Vehicle has 6 airbags. We have dual front side and full curtain. 6-speed as mentioned with the Tiptronic rocker switch on the side. Front there we have the USB port and storage, 12 volt power source, dual zone climate control, and one of the greatest additions would have to be the 8-inch touchscreen, which features Sync 2. Dynamic stability control, traction control, ABS are all standard and help the vehicle achieve the maximum 5-star safety rating. Triple door seals for reduced MVH levels, solid one-piece construction in the doors. We also have lumbar adjustment for both front seats, 3 diagonal seat belts across the rear, 60-40 split as well. We have the body coloured spoiler at the top, large cargo area which features a full-size spare wheel. You also see the child anchor seats across the back of the split. Reversing sensors are standard equipment, as is a reversing camera. Focus is often regarded as the benchmark for this class in handling, with that independent rear suspension we speak about, capless refuelling, electric power steering, which helps reduce the fuel consumption and gives a fantastic feel whilst driving. We have it's actually an all-new steering wheel. It's leather wrapped as well in all models. Let's start the vehicle. So, multi-function, of course. We have all the trip computer functions on the left here to control the options up front. So digital speedometer is one of them. You can have various ones, kilometres to empty, etc. Speed limiting device is standard. If I push the limiter, and then I can adjust the speed on the steering wheel here. Now what that does is, let's say I set it to 55 kilometres an hour. The vehicle will not let me exceed that speed unless I fully depress the accelerator or turn the system off. Cruise control, Bluetooth controls and audio controls on the right hand side here. We have the Sync 2 system I mentioned before. It's the 8-inch screen is divided into 4 quadrants. We have the Bluetooth, audio, climate function and navigation. To open one up to full screen, simply touch the quadrant you're after. The functions up there replicate what we have down here. This also can be controlled by voice, as can the navigation system. It's beautifully clear and easy to use. Change the angle there, 3D, zoom in and out, etc. If your phone is able, once paired, you can
search for sync on your device.
Bluetooth music stream as well. And then within the audio system, you'll see there's USB options as we go through, so music streaming, etc. Reversing camera is beautiful and clear. You'll see on the right hand side we have the sonar, so at night time you have another option there with the coloured bars and audible beeps, and as I turn the wheel you'll also see the lines indicating where we're going to end up. So when I say we can control this by voice, the button on the right hand side here, push.
Please say a command.
Climate.
Climate. Say a command.
Set temperature.
What temperature?
20.
Did you say 20 degrees?
Yes.
Setting temperature to 20 degrees.
So as you can see, because we're on the dual zone, it sets the driver's side to 20. Now, over and above that, that's probably one of the most simplest options. This one here is always a crowd pleaser.
Please say a command.
I am hungry.
And where would you like to search? Nearby, in a suburb, or in a city?
Nearby.
Say your line number.
3.
When ready, press the voice button and then say, set as destination.
So there you can see if my phone was paired, I could simply push that, ring up, see if they had any tables available, set it as destination. Other functions within the system is obviously find accommodation, find a police station, points of interest, museum, Ford dealer, the list goes on. It's incredibly handy, but most of all just easy to use. Just before I forget, another fantastic function is child locks on the rear doors can now be activated off the driver's door. So I strongly suggest coming in and test driving one. We have the full range available to test drive. It's at Team Hutchinson Ford. We're at 186 Churm Street in the central city of Christchurch, and the range is available to view and test drive Monday through to Saturday during normal business hours.